There's nothing like a good garden barbecue. While gas barbecues offer more efficient, controlled cooking, they can't beat the woody, smoky flavours of a charcoal barbecue. Here's a few things to consider before you buy. Charcoal barbecues vary in style and design. The two main types are kettle barbecues, which have a round grill, and drum barbecues, which have a cylinder body and a rectangular grill. Which style you prefer is entirely up to you, your style and your space, but bear in mind that kettle barbecues tend to have a smaller cooking area than drum barbecues. The lids on some drum barbecues can also be fitted with a grill for twice the cooking area. Small, tabletop grills for everyday family cooking and camping are also available. Think about who you're catering for before you decide which size barbecue you need. If you're a couple or a family of 4, a small tabletop or kettle barbecue is all you need. Tabletop barbecues are also great for camping or taking on picnics. For bigger get-togethers, look to a large drum barbecue to make sure you can put on a spread. The size of your barbecue will also affect its price. Charcoal barbecues can vary hugely in price. With our colleagues at BBC Good Food, we've tested barbecues for as little as £40 and as much as £2,000. It ultimately depends on your needs. If you want to be a serious grill master, you'll need to start at £300 and up for a range of bonus features. If you don't like flat pack or have mobility problems, bear in mind assembly. Some barbecues can be very fiddly and time consuming to assemble. Others come ready to go out of the box or have handy apps to get you started, so check reviews to see if this is a problem. Some of the best barbecues come with extras as standard. Warming racks are really useful, which keep snacks like corn on the cob warm, and temperature gauges that tell you the temperature of your barbecue so you know your food is always cooked. A lid is a simple feature, but one that helps to ensure food is cooked exactly as you want it, which is particularly useful for steaks and burgers. It can be unhelpful if it isn't attached, however, so look out for hinges and hooks that make it easy to use. It's a good idea to have heat vents so you can control temperature and airflow. An ash catcher is an incredibly helpful feature, which makes it easy to clear the ash away after you cook. Side tables help to keep condiments close to hand, while tool racks help to keep tongs and spatulas neat and tidy. Some barbecues even included tools. Make sure the grills can be removed to make cleaning easier. Similar to special features, keep an eye out for barbecues with multiple cooking functions. While grilling is great, lots of top-line barbecues can also be used as smokers, ovens, and one we tested as a tandoor. While it tends to be top-line ceramic barbecues that have multiple functions, some metal barbecues have this feature too. Bear in mind that you'll need somewhere to store your barbecue when you aren't using it. Keep an eye out for wheels, which make the barbecue easy to move around the garden and fit into a shed. If it has side tables, these should fold down so it doesn't take up too much room. If your barbecue is freestanding, or if you haven't got anywhere to store it, covers are sometimes included which protect your barbecue from the rain and keep it from rusting.